Hi guys, my name is Marcelo Bentivoglio. I'm from São Paulo, Brazil, and I want to present my CS50 final project. The name of my project is SmarToys. It's an e-commerce for educational and actually very fun toys. So let's shop. Homepage, I have some products available. If I want to see the whole list, at some point I might want to add one product, but in order to do so, I must log in first. Now I can add one item to my cart. I can shop for more. At some point I might decide that I'm ready to check out. And actually I'm not that sure about this product, so if I want to delete it, it's really simple. Okay, now I'm ready. And that's it. I paid for my product. If I come back to my checkout, I don't have any items in my cart, but I can shop for more products, add another product, and if I go to checkout again, now I have my product again. So this was CS50. Thank you.